Hi everyone, my name is Laura, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make black ink using pomegranate skins. To make pomegranate ink, first we need to extract the color from the pomegranate skins. To do this, we add some water to a pot and then we add our skins. These are dry pomegranate skins, but you can also use fresh pomegranate skins. We're gonna take the skins and add them to the water. Here I'm adding 100 grams of skins for each liter of water. Normally I dry my skins in the sun and then I put it in a glass container with some silica gel to remove any humidity that is still inside. This helps to avoid mold growing on the skins. Once we have all the pomegranate skins in the water, we're gonna mix. And you can see that they are already start to release color. But to extract more color, we have to let it simmer for an hour. After an hour, we let it cool and we can check the color. Here you can notice the difference. It's a rich orange rusty color. Now we need to separate the color from the skins. I'm gonna use this cotton cloth to do that. This will help us separate the color from the skins. Now we have separated the biggest pieces from the color, but we will need to filter again so we can get a cleaner ink. This time I'm gonna use a cotton fabric with the smaller holes. Now that we have removed all the pomegranate skins, we can continue to the next step. The next step is preparing the ink. To change the color, we're gonna use ferrous sulfate. The ferrous sulfate will bond with the dye, and because it's full of tannins, it will create a black color. Now we have our black ink and we can test it. At the beginning, the ink is going to look brown, but as soon as the tannin interacts with the oxygen, it will become a strong black. To create a vibrant color and more fluid ink, we're gonna add gum arabic. 2 teaspoons are okay for 500 milliliters. Then, to reduce any mold that can grow inside the ink, we're gonna add clover oil. Normally, I use 20 drops for 500 milliliters. Remember to work in a ventilated space, as the clover oil can be really strong. Now our ink is ready to use. If you want to try this process at home, on my website, I have a kit with everything you need to make black pomegranate ink at home. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. You're gonna get some pomegranate skins, ferrous sulfate, cloves, a glass bottle to store your ink. You are also gonna get an ebook with more tips and advice to get the best color. If you want to learn about natural dyes, remember to subscribe to my channel.